Okay, into the USB port here is the dongle from Torchmate that is needed to allow the machine to run. We turn on the components here, the signal generator, the height controller. You got 3 switches, 1, 2, and 3. This dial is the Pierce height controller. Dialing this will determine the height that the torch will be when it pierces. The arc voltage dial here is part of the auto height controller. These switches here, it's on read or set. You switch it to set when you are adjusting the arc voltage, but it has to be running to do that. You set it to read so it knows to read within a certain spec. This button here is on auto or manual. Right now manual means that it will not height control automatically. I have to hit auto and then it will automatically control the height. This button here is the cut or no cut, if you want to just run the program without the cut to see if it's going to fit on your part or on your material or whatsoever. This button here I currently have hooked up to this, and it is an up and down switch that I could manually control the height. You got to be careful with this though, because if you push this button while it's running, it actually changes the programming of the height controller, and so you don't want to do that, because that button is actually used during programming. I don't remember exactly, I'd have to look at the documentation, but when you're programming the height control motor, this is part of the parameters. You use that button to change the parameters. It's been a while since I've done that, but I actually had to be on the phone with tech support to determine the proper way to do that. So I can't really explain it here in this video. If that's something that you end up needing to change, tech support would be able to help you with that. We have all the manuals for the plasma cutter. We have manual on how to use the Torchmate AutoCAD software. It comes with all the software. This is your password for Torchmate when you have to set it up, the software. And we have all the original manuals and the software that came from Torchmate, and this gazillion page guide, which I never read.